sa malapit lang din sa Biludra. Next village, it's Irandiapura. So, bibisitahin natin yung friend ng asawa ko si... So, this is Manubay's farm. Ayan. Almost lahat ng makikita mo sa paligid, it's all his farm. So, part of his farm is until the end.
Yeah,
Till the end.
After that, there is river.
Okay. So, till the end, it's his farm. So, isa na siya sa pinakamayaman. Rich people here. So, very big farm. Wala sa kalingkingan sa farm namin. Wala pa sa 1/4 yung farm namin. So, we will see what he have here. So, nakikita ko is meron silang buffaloes and a horse. We can ride on it.
Yeah.
Huh? It will not jump.
Huh?
Huh? Going to try. Come here. We're going to ride the horse. So, horsey, come here. So, pakalmakin muna natin. Sana lang hindi ako malaglag. Raju, you want to come? It's nice here. Come here. Raju is afraid. It's nice to ride a horse. Can you walk like that? You let jump?
Yeah, just hold like that.
You will hold? Maybe he will
Yeah.
go to the sudden. Come on. Give me a walk. Nice, Raju. I just fell down. First time I ride a horse. Nice one.
Raju नहीं भी ऐसा था.
So the owner needs the owner is riding horse when he is visiting his farm.
Yeah.
Okay. So this horse is used for the owner. Ayaw ni horsey sa akin.
Tarot.
It was nice horse.
Oh, viva.
Well-behaved horse. So, yan yung
sir.
kabayo ng may-ari. So, when he visited his farm, since he have a very big farm, so he's using his horse. So, pwede na ako mga bayo.
Kitlang pala.
This is one of the farm of Manubay. Is battle guard. Upo siya. Ayan, sobrang lalaki. It weighs around 5 kg each, I think. Sobrang laki niya.
Very big, Mom.
Yes. See?
Mom, look.
See?
And I got a smaller one too for me.
Sobrang laki.
Wow.
Very
That's
nice.
very big.
But it's almost end season of battle guard.
There's more.
So,
1, 2,
some they're throwing already.
5, 6,
What is not nice.
4, 7, 8.
And aside from that, there is here. We'll go there. What they have here.
Mom, look this flower.
So I can see here near is
They look like
wheat. Because I'm familiar with the wheat. We have wheat already. So we might walk until the end. And we will see what they have. So we're going now to see what Manubay have. It's a real farm. So this was a eggplant farm, but it's end season. When it's end season, they just leave it like this. So ayan, hindi na nila inaani.
Mama,
Hinahayaan na lang nila sa field. Kasi hinahayaan na lang nilang mabulok. And cleaning this field, they are using just tractor. So, no manual. And here, they started to plant. This is, Neil? This is chili? So, they started to plant chili. So, since Indian loves chilies, they always make sure that there is a chili farm all year. So, everything is divided. Like, when the other field is finished, some are starting. Itong wheat nila, their wheat is almost ready to harvest. Sobrang yaman naman ni Manubay. But I enjoyed riding his horse. Babalikan ko yung kabayong yun. Tapos ikot-ikot dito. Feeling hasyendera. So this is their chilies. Oh, for those who wants tinulang manok, so they have chili. What kind of chili is this? The spicy one, the long one? So this is the spicy kind of chili. Hindi siya masyadong malaki. So kabublong pa lang niya, but they're starting to harvest. And this one is the same or another kind?
This is also another kind.
Another kind, right? So this is another kind. Ito na yata yung siling haba. Yung pangsigang, hindi masyadong maanghang. So this is one kind and this is another. Ito yung maanghang and then ito yung hindi. So, we're still going. Kakapatubig pa lang. So, ayan na si Horsey. The horse is coming. It's nice to ride that horse. So, for those who want to visit, horse riding and farm visit also, they're open for visit. Owner don't have problem if someone visiting his farm. I'm sure all of you will enjoy. It's like an escape from the city and come here. You can have picnic here also under the tree. And then you can ask horse riding. Mabait si horse. This is tobacco. This is another kind of tobacco, right?
Yeah,
it's
country.
longer.
It's called country.
This is called
This is-
country tobacco. There's another kind. It's called the Kolkata. So
This is expensive.
this is one of the expensive tobacco. So we are getting the most expensive tobacco here in India. Mas maliliit yung dahon. So later on, I will show you
20 kg.
2,000 rupees per 20 kg.
It can be grow more.
So if you have this, you can just take out the leaves and let it grow again.
Yeah, this is second time. That's
So there is, how many times it can be? Only 2
just
times.
like this.
So just the first, only 2 times you have to take out the leaves and
Same
then
price.
finish. So nice tobacco farm, chili and wheat.
It's spicy chili here.
Here the well-grown chili already.
Trading.
So from this side they can harvest already. This is the last side of his farm.
Yeah.
So this is the last part of his farm. So mostly they have chilies.
Mama, the mud.
We can go.
Mama, the mud is very soft.
Okay, just go there. So this is the well-grown. I think this is the first set of their chili. And ayan, may mga hinog na.
Why they are red?
It's ready to harvest and they can dry it up
Eat it. It's
and Used for...
If it
So what is this is spicy chili, and they will harvest all the red and they will dry it up and sell as powder. Some are making it a whole one. Actually, in cooking, I like the whole one. I don't like the powder one. So, iuuwi ko to para maitanim. So, ayan. Madaming sili. Sobrang dami. Hindi na ako kuha ng dahon. Since I have a chili plant also in my backyard. So, I don't need the leaves for tinola. So, until the end, where you will see the trees, that's his part of his land. I mean, those trees are the boundaries of his land. Ayan. Greenery area. We can do picnic here. So there, from where we came from where we stopped the wheat, and then the tractor is there, and then the workers giving the pesticides, and they have poultry farm but it's empty, so they stop it. So we're going back now. I will come back here again when there will be another season of vegetables. So, this is, ang ganda ng pagkakalain. So, at far I thought it's tea. There is plantation of tea, so it's look like, but it's not. It's chili. It can still grow more. It's like around 5 feet high. So maybe next month or after sometimes when we come back here, it will grow as tall as me. It's very nice. And they have here mango tree. There is flower of mangoes, no?
Soon it will come.
No, but if there is new leaves already, I don't think. So my husband is eating. It's eatable, the new leaves. How it tastes?
Like mango.
Taste like mango?
Yeah.
Okay, can I have?
You want to eat?
No, here. I have here Rajvi. Give me Rajvi is not giving. I didn't yet tasted leaves of the mango. Maybe I can put it in soup.
Okay.
This is the tender leaves of mango, so I want to taste. I didn't yet taste in Philippines, so I wanted to taste. Maybe I can put it in sinigang. Taste mango, but it cannot be in sinigang. It's not sour. This is Manubay's buffaloes, and to get food for them, they planted separately grass. Sandali. So there, that land is grass, special grass for buffalo. So they're harvesting every day enough for their food. So this is their, like a stock room, right? They're putting their grains here. Everything what they need is here. And then they have their own water system called bore well. So walang problema sa kanila kahit anong itanim nila kasi meron silang sariling tubig. Here, if you don't have their own water, you're renting water per hour. Like us. My husband is renting water. We don't have yet our own. So, we are renting every time we need water. So this is their water system that will supply water for all their farm. Because they have the big farm. In this side naman guys, is tobacco. The first one was the expensive one, and this is a little bit cheaper. Bigger leaves. So this is the bigger leaves. It's called Kolkata. It's not yet ready to harvest. So this area mostly they have tobacco farm. So hanggang doon yung tobacco farm nila. And very big leaves. Just it's quite cheaper until the end. Lastly, Manubay have mango trees. At yan yung babalikan ko when it's ready to harvest. Aakyatin kita.